William Wordsworth, credited as one of the forefathers of Romanticism in Europe, called Earth's oceans the great harmonist. It's the subject of catchy love songs, your favorite movies, and the subject of one of the most underrated Justin Timberlake songs. The ocean has long been an object of wonder and curiosity for as long as human history has been recorded. Encompassing almost 70% of the Earth's surface, yet still largely unexplored, with scientists estimating that just 5% of Earth's oceans have been mapped and only 2/3 of marine life have been discovered so far. It's little wonder why oceans, seas, lakes, and bodies of water in general have captured the hearts and the imagination of billions worldwide. If you're still not convinced because the movie Jaws did a number on your psyche, like it did mine, these 5 pics of underwater wonders found in our oceans today might give you that little push you need to start trusting and loving the deep blue ocean once again. Make sure you watch until the end, because number 1 is one of the most amazing underwater wonders you could ever see. Number 5. Underwater waterfall, Mauritius. Located at the southwestern tip of the island of Mauritius in the Indian Ocean, and visible all year round, this dazzling phenomenon isn't actually a waterfall, but a natural optical illusion caused by shifting sand and silt sediments that are moving constantly. Its unique topography of gradual sloping, cut off by an abrupt 4,000-meter drop, treats tourists to a spectrum of blue hues certain to dazzle. The island on which it's located is also similarly suited to impress. With impossibly stunning rich vegetation and warm, welcoming locals, many of whom are descendants of bold runaway slaves or maroons, they are sure to regale you of their rich history, which has been passed down orally generation after generation. On top of that, was once home to the now extinct dodo bird. Rich history, check. Awesome locals, check. Incredible underwater sand shifty illusion, check. Sounds to me like the full package. Number 4. Blue Corner Wall, Palau. Highly regarded by many as one of the most beautiful dive locations in the world, Blue Corner Palau, located on the northwest end of the Ngemelis Island, is a must-visit for those in search of an underwater treat. Its popularity among dive enthusiasts is understandable, given the rich and diverse flora and fauna around the island. This location is most radiant during an incoming tide. The recession allows for increased visibility, allowing tourists to gander and gawk as nature puts on a racy little show, flaunting all her glory from deep blue sinkholes just calling out to be explored, to the diverse flora that becomes visible as the tide runs through the reef wall. Yes, we said reef wall. The one located in Palau is one of the largest and most well-preserved on planet Earth, and as a result is flourishing with all types of multicolored wildlife, certain to leave you mesmerized. Number 3. Palau Jellyfish Lake. We're sort of throwing you into the deep end here a little bit, but hear us out. The jellyfish has a frightening reputation, for good reason. The stings can range from carpet burn annoying to Will Smith 7 pounds, but we wouldn't knowingly put you in any danger. So take a deep breath and listen with an open heart. They safe, completely harmless. This unique species of jellyfish, called the golden jellyfish, can only be found in this particular lake. It's our second entry of the island of Palau on our list, but it can't be helped. The place is a paradise. Depending on the time of day you visit, you'll be able to swim with these gorgeous gentle creatures as they search for food and sunlight throughout the day. We mentioned earlier how gorgeous the island is, so once you're done kicking it with the jellyfish, the island is yours to explore and enjoy. Number 2. Great Barrier Reef, Australia. With over 3,000 different reef systems and coral cays, the Great Barrier Reef is one of the largest and most impressive natural phenomenon and is widely considered as one of the 7 modern natural wonders of the world. Larger than the Great Wall of China and visible from space, this gargantuan masterpiece gives itself willingly to all who will take the time to visit. Wildlife enthusiasts can look to Cruise Michaelmas Cay for their fix. Home to more than 23 different species of seabirds, it's home to one of the most important bird sanctuaries around today. Take a dive and you'll also be able to see a whole host of different fish and turtles in their natural habitat. A premier dive location as well, the Argo & Court Reef offers over 16 different cave sites, with none of them resembling the other. Radiant and diverse colors you'll encounter once you dip your head under will capture and entice even the biggest thalassophobes. Number 1. Port Royal, Jamaica. For all my swashbucklers and scallywags, come hither, home to all your legends from the movies. Blackbeard, Anne Bonny, Black Sam, you name them, they all at one point traversed the ancient city of Port Royal. Found on the coast of Kingston, Jamaica, this once vibrant and bustling pirate hotspot is sure a must-visit for history or movie buffs. Known at one point as the richest and most evil city on earth, adventurers and businessmen alike all flocked to the curious city, as it welcomed every and anyone willing to get ahead legally or illegally. Unfortunately, one day around 1143, 7th of June, 1692, the island was rocked by a 7.5 magnitude earthquake, killing thousands and sinking up to 2/3 of the city, now known as one of the most important underwater archaeological sites. Adventurers can venture beneath the warm waters of the Caribbean Sea to catch a glimpse of the once notorious nest of the pirates. These were our chosen 5 wonders to see in the water. As always, please remember to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any videos that we release. And make sure to check out the links below so we can help you to plan your next trip. Talk to you all in our next video. Safe travels.